Namaskar, welcome back to eLearners Hub. You're watching cloud computing tutorials, and in this video we are going through the demonstration of implementing infrastructure as a service using Citrix and Server. In the last video we saw the installation process of Citrix and Server. In this video we will see how to create a Windows 7 virtual machine. Windows 7 virtual machine will be used as the storage repository for Citrix and Server, on which we will be storing the ISO files. As we saw in the Citrix and Server, we don't have any GUI so that we can access the server and have a look at the storage or access the storage. We will create a Windows 7 virtual machine that will act as the storage repository to store our ISO files. So let's jump to the demonstration of creating a Windows 7 virtual machine. So here we are back in the VMware workstation, and now we will create a Windows 7 virtual machine. So creating a virtual machine is all the same process. So we'll click on the create new virtual machine, create custom, next. It's the limitation of the VMware workstation. I will install the operating system later. Click next, select the Microsoft Windows as the guest operating system, and we will select Windows 7 64-bit. Next, select the location where you want to store your virtual machines. Create a new folder. I'll save it as Windows 7. Select the folder and next. Number of processors and cores will be 1. Next, we select 2 GB of memory. So if you remember, for the Citrix and virtual machine we assigned 6 GB of memory. For this we will assign 2 GB of memory. Click next. Use the network address translation, and next, again next. Create a new virtual disk. Assign the virtual disk the 60 GB of space that is recommended for Windows 7. Store it as a single file. Click next. Select the location where you want to store this disk file, virtual disk file. So click on browse, and this is the folder. Save, and click next and finish. Now we need to assign the ISO file, so we'll provide the ISO file to this virtual machine. Use an ISO image file. We'll select the ISO file by clicking on the browse button. So we'll browse, and here's the ISO file. Open and OK. Now we will power on this virtual machine and see the installation process of Windows 7. Now we will power on this virtual machine. Click on power on virtual machine. Click next. Install now. Select Windows Professional 7. Click next. Accept the license agreement. Click next. Custom, select the disk. Click next, and the installation begins. The installation will take some time. Have patience and relax. system is rebooting now. We will enter into the full screen mode so that we can have the full view of the Windows desktop. So it is asking for the username, so we will type the username and the computer name, student, and click next. Okay, so PC, click next. Password, click next. Ask me later. Select the time zone. So as we are in India, so we will have Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, and click next. Select the home network. So now the installation is done. Now we will create a folder and we will share this folder so that we can access this folder to use the ISO files on from the Citrix Zen server. I'll just save it as ISO library and share with specific people and select everyone, add and share, and you need to remember this path to remember this path so that you can put this path in Citrix Zen and access your files from here. So we need to make one more setting. So we have to disable the firewall so that we can access this system from Citrix Zen. So disable the firewall. Now we need to copy the ISO file to ISO library. So you can attach a pen drive and copy an ISO file to this folder ISO library. So this is how we install Windows 7 and create a virtual machine for Windows 7. So in the next video we will see how to create a virtual machine on Citrix Zen. We will see how to the installation process of Zen client that will help us to access the Citrix Zen server and create a virtual machine on Citrix Zen server. If you like the video, click on the like button and share your views and suggestions by writing in the comment section, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.